The relationship between husband and wife is the very first and the most beautiful bond in the world. However, due to the whispers of shaitan and our own mistakes, many of these relationships are now on the verge of breaking. Here are some essential actions to help strengthen and preserve the bond. A woman should remember that outside the home, many bad women are trying to attract her husband. They at least try to get his attention. So she should present herself beautifully in front of her husband. Otherwise, it will become harder for him to avoid looking at other women. She must also remember that beauty is not only an appearance. A woman's true beauty lies in her speech, behavior, character, wisdom, and modesty. As a wife, 5 essential duties are here. 1. When your husband returns home after finishing all-day work, open the door with a smile and greet him with salam. 2. Use pleasant fragrance for your husband. Instead of complaining about various matters, express gratitude. 3. Never argue with your husband over any issue. If he raises his voice, stay silent. When he calms down, explain your thoughts calmly and clearly. 4. Physical intimacy should not always be initiated by the husband. You should take the initiative too. 5. The relationship between husband and wife is like a triangle. The 2 bottom corners are the husband and wife, and the top point is Allah. The more the husband and wife move toward Allah, the closer they come to each other. If you find this knowledge beneficial, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.